Hey everyone, thanks for stopping by. In today's video, we'll show you exactly how to turn raids on or off in the Twitch app on your Android phone. Whether you're a streamer who wants more control or just exploring the Twitch settings, this guide will walk you through it step by step. First, open the Twitch app on your Android phone. Make sure you're signed in and then go to the Profile section. Next, scroll down and tap on Account Settings. In the Account Settings menu, tap on Stream Manager. Now, scroll down the page until you find the section labeled Raids. Finally, you can choose to either turn raids on or off, depending on your preference by toggling the switch. That's it. You now know how to manage raids in the Twitch app on Android. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials.